Introducing a new IRIS functionality, the Working Groups Observatory. Regulations move fast, faster than traditional tracking can handle. Proposals, agendas, meetings, working documents, scattered everywhere. And keeping up with over 320 proposals and 195 meetings is a challenge. This is why IRIS created the Working Groups Observatory. Have full vision of EU and UNECE proposals instantly. Track timelines visually. Receive custom alerts. Access every document. Your full regulatory vision in one powerful platform. Automated monitoring of proposal evolution. Full visibility. Zero manual work. Proactive capacity for preparation for future changes. Time savings in searching and collecting information from multiple official sources. Finally, a way to stay ahead of regulatory change. The Working Groups Observatory. The new standard for regulatory intelligence. Stay informed. Take control. Lead.